Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shreen. Today I'm going to be sharing the hot selling product at Glojas, which is called Rejuran. Apa itu Rejuran? Rejuran is a polynucleotide DNA obtained from salmon DNA. What is salmon DNA good for? So Rejuran, which is obtained from salmon DNA, has 4 properties which are very good for the skin. It is an anti-inflammatory, it has healing process, it improves hydration, and it has rejuvenating properties to improve the skin texture. So, ada berapa jenis Rejuran di pasaran? There are 2 types of Rejuran in the market called Rejuran Healer and Rejuran S. Who are the suitable candidates for Rejuran? Anybody who has a normal skin can also benefit from Rejuran Healer as it has rejuvenating properties. Also, problematic skins like open pores, acne scarring, and pigmentation can be helped by using Rejuran. Berapa session yang diperlukan untuk Rejuran? You can do Rejuran once a month for at least 4 sessions, and then you can leave a gap at least 6 to 12 months for the next session. So far, semua patient yang menjalani rawatan Rejuran are very happy with the results. I myself have done Rejuran twice, and I'm enjoying the soft, supple skin that I always wanted. So what are you waiting for? Do visit us at Glojas to get your flawless skin. Always remember, Glojas brings out the best in you.